Good morning, ma'am. Chapter 1, Introduction to Deception of Detention. Polygraph is a scientific method of detecting deception done with the aid of polygraph instrument. Ito yung kagamitan para malaman kung nagsisinungaling yung tao o ginagamit para malaman ang katotohanan. Polygraph devised from the Greek word poly equals many or several and graph equals right chart. In a scientific instrument capable to record simultaneously change in blood pressure, pulse rate, respiration, and skin resistance, has indicate of emotion distribute, especially of a lying subject in being questioned. Pag nagsimula na magtanong ang isang investigator, tapos nalaman nila na nagtaas baba yung plus rate, ito po yung silbi ng polygraph. Early method of detection. Trial by Aldrich. A judicial practice which the guilty or innocent of the accused is determined the subject them the unplanned as usual dangerous experience or in the present term would mean employed of third degree. Dito yung pagpaparusa sa mga nagkasala. Types of order. Hot, red hot iron order. The accused will be required to touch his tongue to the extreme hot metal 9 times unless burned sooner. Once his tongue is burned, she will adjudicate guilty in the sum of country instead of hot iron. They use a hot nail to pierce the lips, and once the lips bleed is an indication of guilt. Sa hard iron daw po, yung hot metal o yung nagbabagang metal ay pinapatong sa dila ng accused. Kung masunog ito kung masunog, magiging guilty po siya. Tapos yung sa 9 times po, pag hindi po nasunog, mawawalan sala po. Sa ibang bansa naman po, ang gamit po nila ay hot needle, yung karayom. Pag nilapat po nila sa lips, tapos nag-bleed, doon po nila malalaman na guilty yung isang tao. Ordeal by balance. A scale of balance in use on one end of the scale. Suspect and accused is placed, and on the other end, a counterbalance. The accused will be asked to step to counterbalance. The suspect will be back in the found to be lighter more before he acquired. Dito po sa ordeal balance, pupunta po sila sa scale na dapat magtanong sila kung guilty or hindi. Order of hot water. This test required that the water had to be boiled and the dip from which is stone has to retrieve was up to receive for one accusation and up the elbow 3 more accusation. Dito po, kailangan daw po yung pinakamainit na tubig, nakakulo pa. Tapos, lalagyan daw po ng bato, yung wrist, tsaka yung elbow. Order of cold water. The accused is tied at feet and hands, and the lower to cold water by the rope. The rope is tied round the defendant waist and hand a knot of a particular distance into the torso. Dito po ay itinali ang paa at kamay. Tapos po ibinabad sa tubig na malamig. Kaya yun po. Ordeal of rice chewing. Done by using the rice called seinet. Prepare in inconation. Ito po yung pagguya ng bigas. Pag nadurog daw po, doon po malalaman na guilty yung tao. Order to red water is the method the accused will required to run for 12 hours in a cup of rice and drink the dark water. Ito po, pinatakbo po nila ng 12 hours na walang pahinga. Tapos, kailangan daw po nila mag-take ng cup of rice and the dark colored water. Order by combat. A fight between the accuser and the accused. Who lose the battle will be adjudged guilty. Dito naman po sa order of combat, paglalabanin po yung accuser and accused. Kung sino po daw matalo, siya daw po magiging guilty. And the test of the candle. This order was used in Brunei. The accuser and accused were each given identical candles and were lighting at the same time. The candle will burn as long determine which the truth. Dito daw po sa Brunei ay may isang test na ang accused and accuser ay bibigyan ng kandila, pares na kandila at sisindahan at the same time. Kung sino daw po yung pinakamatagal na maubos yung yun daw po nagsasabi ng totoo. Order to heat and fire. This test suspect walk in a certain distance. As usual, 9 feet over red hot plowshare or holding a hot pot iron. Dito daw po yung sa order of heat and fire. Dito daw po yung paglalakad din ang isang tao, yung suspect sa certain distance. As usual, 9 feet po ang layo. Na tatapakan nila ay uling o yung nagbabagang kahoy. Order of the needle. A hot needle was drawn through his lip in the accused. If innocent, no blood will be flow out. Dito naman po sa order of the needle, ang red hot nail ay ipapatong po sa lips. Kung gapa po pag may lumabas na dugo, guilty ka. Pero kapag wala, innocent ka. Trade of the cross. Accused and a crosser stood one on either of the cross and stretch out their hand horizontally. The one of the first lower his arm lost. Dito daw po ay naka-straight, naka-cross and straight yung kanilang kamay horizontally. Kung sino daw po yung unang mawalan ng kamay, siya daw po matatalo. Trial by the Wiggins shirt. Accused dressed in cloth covered in was and walked before over burning coil. Ito po yung pagsusutin ka daw po ng dress, tapos paglalakadin ka po sa nagbabagang uling. The heredity save. Dr. Han goes method his ordeal of his famous book on criminal investigation, in which being thrown in a cell as a name of each suspect. Dito naman po, si Dr. Han, minetod niya po sa order of his famous na criminal investigation yung itong jury. Order of the tiger. An accused and accuser are placed inside a cage of tiger. If the tiger spear one of them, she is considered innocent. Dito po sa order of the tiger, ang accuser and accused will be placed o ilalagay sa kulungan ng mga tigre kung sino naman ang hindi kainin o lapain ng tigre ay siya magiging inosente. Donkey tail or ashtail order. A method of order where as accused person will be instructed to select a cage with a donkey. Use the donkey tail. There will strike the donkey wherever cry first will be assailed. Kasi sino daw po yung unang masipa ng donkey, siya daw po yung guilty.